It was chaos getting into the lot. I insisted on that prime parking. Let's see how it is at nighttime. Kyra's doing some spells on us. Lila's in the front, she's napping. She's only one and she's doing magic, okay? I don't know. Okay, here we go. So pretty. Everyone's leaving. Universal Studios closes at 8. Islands of Adventure closes at 9. Have Avatar. Really? You want to go now? Okay, we got into bubblegum right away. It's our first time here. It's cool, I like the theme. So this is cute. They have this little coloring sheet. What is Forrest Gump themed? Here, like. Oh my gosh, it's cool. And then Kyra's just casting spells still. Kyra, we're gonna need you to stop casting spells. Thanks. And her shirt says it's Leviosa, not Leviosa. Oh my god. And Lila's wearing a Hedwig shirt. We got from H&M 2 years ago. Hedwig. Okay, so we're going to do the mac and cheese. There's so many other options here. I'm gonna get a bowl of the clam chowder, and then we're going to also get this Jenny's surf and turf because I'm a mad Jennier. Kyra's gonna get a side of rice, and yeah. Okay, so they said when you need something, you have to change the sign to stop for a stop. And then when you don't need something, then put it back to the blue sign. So that's pretty cool. This clam chowder is so good, you guys. It's very rich. You can really taste the clam. I don't know if it's just me, but this is delicious. Super fresh. I got a big bowl. Comes with oyster crackers. And then we also have a shrimp mac and cheese appetizer. So I can't wait to dig into that. Okay, so here's the kids' meal. The little mac and cheese comes in a cute frying pan. And then we have the fresh fruit here. Very cute. Smart to hold these two in there. Yeah, that's genius. And she looks pretty satisfied. Kyra's just eating jasmine rice, and then we have our Jenny's surf and turf, salmon, shrimp, and rice. This is actually just blue jello. Lila tried it, she didn't like it, so I'm eating it. She's never had jello before, to be fair, so. She's just drinking milk instead, and drinking this icy / eating it, and you're eating the fruits, so that's pretty good. Okay, we finished dinner at Bubblegum Shrimp. She's ready? Yes. More smell. Hi. Lila's being really good. She's in here. Hi. Imagine you're here. So we're gonna go into Islands of Adventure. We're not even gonna bother going to Universal Studios because it's already 7:20 and they close at 8. So just gonna spend the rest of the night in Islands, get some butterbeer, do some shopping in Marvel. See what else? Yeah. Oh, it's extremely windy, you guys. What on earth? Oh my gosh. The palm trees are all moving around. Okay, this magnet is $15. That is so cool. So many different like things I haven't seen before. Oh my gosh. This is 22. Wow. So detailed. Very sturdy. And then we have some ropes here with all the different houses. I always love these little ties. I've seen this before. And then, oh, we have the 3 broomstick sign, Hogshead, Hogsmeade. And I love these little sweaters and trunks. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are all so nice. Look at Seuss's Landing at night. Wow. Very, very bright and lively. People are heading out, but we're heading in like lunatics. Wow. Huh. Carousel is all lit up too. This looks closed. Well, I almost ran into this tree. We have both girls covered up. We just really want some warm butterbeer and to see this night show on the castle. We've been wanting to see this for months. It's been too cold. I mean, tonight's okay. It's bearable. Looks like they took out the candy canes here. Lots of people heading out. Wow. Just a different park at night. Yeah, see, the palm trees are actually swaying around. Look how windy it is. Okay, and you can go that way to see Velociraptor. Fire Eaters is closed. Oh, this is so pretty. I just love that outdoor lighting at night. I mean, who doesn't? It's gorgeous. Okay, so we made it to Hogsmeade. And we came here for the show, so let's go see it. Wow! Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. I'm gonna ride Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey for the first time in like 6 years, I guess. My husband's with the kids and it's about to close. Okay, single riders. Oh, single riders, yeah. Okay, cool. It's been so long. I can't wait to go on this. Ooh, it's all eerie because I'm by myself.
Not for all that fun. I'll show you what this place is rude.
Are you afraid of interrupting me, young man?
Listen, dear, I scored the winning goal in the 1862 League Championship wearing nothing but a smile. The other side
Hi.
jigged off all.
Okay, thanks.
The waiting has been long, but
A few minutes till park close, 8:54. What is this? What's happening in there? Yeah, it looks like something's going on in there. I wonder what it is. It truly feels like we're in Jurassic World. The windy, cold scariness. We're almost there. We're exiting the park soon, Lila. That's a Cap Dam Diner. We have the comic book store here. Spider-Man and photos. And that little center with the crystals or whatever that is. Okay. Spider-Man's closed already. The whole park is technically closed. Alright, we're heading out. Wow. I can't with that. It's too insane. I get to ride Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. Bye! Oh, look at Lila peeping out of her little house here. I made her like a Ford and a stroller. Bye! Say thank you for watching. Have a really good day. Can't say Disney filled, it's not Disney. Have a Universal filled day.